The Bay Area is a place where misty peaks and redwood valleys kiss the sea, where the extreme beauty and rugged coastlines meet raw weather and churning seas. The Ohlone and Miwok people have lived here for over 10,000 years. I'm Meg Haywood Sullivan, a third-generation creative and environmentalist with a knack for finding hidden corners of the world worth protecting. This is one of them. Few people today know that just a few odometer clicks north of the city is wilderness. Where endangered coho salmon journey up from the coast to spawn beneath the trees. It is magic. For me, environmentalism is about embracing the imperfect. It's about staying curious, forging community, and meeting folks where they are. We shouldn't forget to enjoy these places we fight so hard to protect. It's important to immerse yourself in the rolling waves, the treasured sight of a spawning salmon, the quiet peace of a misty forest, and a warm fire to share with friends. Savor these moments. Stay humble and tread lightly. There's a big world out there to find and protect, sometimes closer than you think. This is where I find my anywhere.